Theorem 7.3. The side opposite to equal angle of triangle are equal. Means in triangle, naming them as ABC, sides opposite to equal angle. Equal angles we have given. Here we take angle B is equal to angle C. And what we have to prove? Sides opposite to equal angle of triangle are also equal. मीन्स इन जो इक्वल एंगल हैं इनके जो सामने की साइड्स हैं वो भी हमको इक्वल प्रूव करनी है. एंड विच साइड इज अपोजिट टू एंगल बी? AC. Which side is opposite to angle C? AB. Means we have to prove AB is equal to AC. First, we will write given triangle ABC such that what we have given? Equal angles. Angle B is equal to angle C. What do we have to prove? We have to prove opposite sides are also equal. Means angle B के सामने की side AC, C के सामने की side AB. Means we have to prove AC is equal to AB. For this proof, I need construction. In construction, I will draw an altitude from the point A. You know what is an altitude? Altitude means a line from any vertex which is perpendicular to opposite side. So in construction, we draw an altitude through vertex A. Now we come to prove. You see, two triangles are here. We take triangle ABD and triangle ADC. You see, three parts you can find using which we can say triangle congruent. You see, angle B is equal to angle C. We have given, and angle ADB is equal to angle ADC. 90 degree angle by construction. क्योंकि ये एल्टीट्यूड था ना, एल्टीट्यूड का मतलब क्या होता है? जो सामने की साइड के ऊपर 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाए. नाउ AD इज इक्वल टू AD कॉमन. नाउ विच congruence criteria you can use? Two angle and one side. And one side is included or not? No. Two angles but side is not included, so we can write, we can use AAS congruence criteria. Triangle ABD will congruent to triangle ADC, and by CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle, remaining parts also equal. Means you can write AB is equal to AC. और यही आपको प्रूव करना था कि साइड्स जो है वो आपकी क्या होंगी? इक्वल होंगी. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच.